today's video, we are going to be welding again. I haven't made a welding video in a long time, so that's going to be starting off a little. Let me sit down here. I know I jumped right into stuff, but I'm going to start with the titanium 125. And I finally got plates. I got steel and I cut out plates. I have a whole bunch of them. They're my old welds. Obviously not good. Every single one of you want to know where the dirt bag at. There's the dirt bag right there. It's all in pieces. I got the dirt bag right there. When I was popping a wheelie, what happened was, as you know, well, I guess I don't know because my video got banned off of TikTok. Like, what is that? My video got removed from TikTok. I was on strike for a week. That's why I couldn't post. I couldn't post last week because it was the Super Bowl and I was doing stuff. But yeah, I was on strike for a week and I guess I'm not able to pop wheelies on my dirt bike. But I was popping wheelies and then my tube. It was a really cheap one and it pops, I guess. We got the tube holder for the tire, and then there's a little like tape thing goes around the strip of the rim strip. But yeah, today's we're gonna be welding. I'm gonna show you how to prep for steel, how to do all that stuff to prep, because there's a lot of things that go in the welding, not just get a piece of metal, hooking the ground up and welding on it. It's not just that. There's a lot of things that go to it. All right, so there obviously is a couple things you need to prep for the weld. Obviously, the things you need to prep for the weld, obviously metal. You need a grinder. All right, here's the grinder with the buff wheel one. Here's the plate, and then here are 2 clamps. I had to use 2 clamps because this side was wobbling, and you don't want any wobble when you're grinding. But before I do anything, please wear your safety glasses because YouTube will take this down if I don't. So YouTube, don't take it down, please. All right, so you can wear gloves just so YouTube don't take us down. Like I said, YouTube, please don't take us down. I'll wear some gloves. You always want to be safe when doing this stuff. So take your wheel. You just want to move it up and down until you have a nice surface you can weld on. I'm probably going to do this right there. So I have a nice couple welds on it, maybe 4 or 5 welds. So here we go now. All right, before you start to weld, you always want the welder to warm up for a little bit, so it's still blowing out cool air, but obviously I don't have a lot of wire. I shouldn't have to tune it because last time I welded was this, so it should be already tuned for it. But again, what you need your clamp here. I'm actually gonna take this off. You need your clamp. I'll just put this right here. Or yeah, right there. That'll work. All right, then you need a wire. I could weld right now. Ready? Welded. I did it, Mom. All right. Oh. No, stuck. All right, I'll get that. All right, I got you set up. We're gonna do welds right down here, just like this. And we might actually run out of wire. But yeah, I got everything set up. Ground connected right here. Yeah, you can't see it. Clamp right here. And then obviously right here. Just right here. Leave it out about that much. Don't forget, you always need to wear gloves. Always be safe. I'm always family friendly too. All right, here we go. Well, first, what you can do actually, you can, some people, if they have cold metal, they don't like to start off with cold metal, they'll get a torch and heat it up. But I don't do that. I feel like that you don't even need to do that. But, all right, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna put this right here. And some people weld like this. You need to weld like that. You go vertical. You bring it out like that. You bring it out like that much. And that's how I weld. But you can weld it whichever way you want. Don't really matter. As long as they're good and they work. Alright. Got my welding pliers. Alright, let's get to it. We're gonna weld the first line. started off pretty bad, but hey, we got that. Every time you strike welding with your striker, put on goggles or put down your welding mask. I got it in my eye before, so it sucks. A little bit of this after. First one, I've been welding in like a week or two. So the first one obviously is bad. You guys can see that, alright. I'm actually gonna try something, hold on. I am so sorry guys, I stopped recording. And this was a good one too. Of course when my camera stops recording, I do the best one of all. Oh my gosh. I'm actually mad about that because that's a pretty good one. If you don't know what I did, I took the marker, and what you can do, you can go to like Harbor Freight or any kind of like welding shop and get a welding markers, and it draws out your welding sketch, and I just did that. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it, the welder took off. But I did the best one of all, which I couldn't really see the marker anyway because it's not a welding marker, but I did the best one of all, and the camera stops recording for no reason. Hopefully I have some of that on there. I don't know how much I got on there, but that is a really good one right there. I actually like it a lot. We're gonna do that same thing over again, and hopefully it gets on recording this time. But we're gonna try with the marker again because it did do something, I guess. But we're gonna try it again. All right, I'm gonna draw that again. Alright, let's try it. Hopefully I get on stupid recording. Holy crap. Just trying to make one video. I'm a small channel just trying to make videos. Alright. I'm glad it did on recording. I was swearing because my welding little contraption was tilted like that. And it has to be straight. So obviously, it's kind of good, kind of bad. I would cut it out anyway. Alright, here we go. Not a bad one. A little crooked at the end. Alright, not a bad one. What'd I do? I did 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do one more. One big one right here. Just to end it off because I don't have a lot of wire and I'm trying to save it. Alright, let's go one more time. From the top. We're gonna do it without the Sharpie. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, they're getting better. Really thick though. They are really thick. I didn't mean to do that thick. Yeah, my welds are definitely getting better. Welding takes time. It's not a thing you learn in 2 weeks, you know. It takes a couple months, maybe a couple years to weld good. But I think they are doing pretty good. I mean, not the best, but not the worst. You guys out here? You guys probably see me in my face, but yeah, it's gonna take some time to learn, keep learning, but I do think those are my best ones yet, at least the long ones. Obviously, I did a couple short ones and they were pretty good. But doing long ones, it's kind of hard for me. I don't have big plates, so I can't weld on big plates. And it's kind of hard for me to move my arm down when I'm welding, move my arm down. My pinky and my ring finger gets hot. So when I move my arm down, it just messes everything up. But I am going to work on that, and there's a lot more stuff to do, but I'm going to clean these up and show you the finished product. All right, I have the welds finished right in front of me. Here they are. I did four of them. The first one was the first one I ever did, and it's not bad. Second one I used a marker. Third one I used a marker, and the last one I used by myself. I think they turned out not too bad. Obviously better than these ones, but I don't think they're too bad. But I'm probably gonna end off the video here and wrap up everything. But if you have not already, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Let's go.